Welcome to this tutorial. It's me, your host Damian Seronkuma, and we are going to look at how to create a jingle, a small jingle, and we are using Adobe Audition version 3.7, 3.0, not 3.7 but 3.0. How to access Adobe Audition? You go to the start button and then click Adobe, click OK. You simply select and then type in Adobe. Okay, it comes among the programs of Adobe. Click it and this program will pop up on your screen. We shall first navigate through the interface of Adobe Audition. Adobe Audition has the menu bar just like any other application. If you're familiar with applications of Microsoft, it has a menu bar. Below the menu bar is the navigation where we get the editing view, and then we have the multi-track view. The editing view is normally used to record and edit, and multi-track is normally used to mix different tracks and come up with a single track. We shall be using in this tutorial typically for the first session. We shall be looking at the multi-track at the editing view. Below the editing view, we have different sections. Let me just shift this. We have the tabs that have all effects that can be used to edit our audio. Secondly, we have the favorites, what you've used before to edit. So whatever you use is kept track in this panel. Then we have the files tab, where all files that you're going to use in this session are going to be loaded. Below it, we have the transport, or what we call the controls. Controls are normally used for controlling whatever is being played or recorded. Then next, on the right hand side, we have the timer, where the control that displays the time of your file. Then we have the zoom. The zoom helps you to zoom in or out or expand the track. Okay, basically we shall be using those. And then we have this is just to help us get the levels. It is dockable, meaning it can be shifted at any level. So for production, always make sure that your voice doesn't go too much towards 9, but it is kept, if it is to shout so much, it is kept within the range of 12, 12.2, 12.5, around there, but should not go through towards 9 for quality. Okay, so we are going to start officially how to create a file. To create a file, you click File. There are various options, but let us go through the main. You click File and then select New. Once you select New, you're going to have this new waveform. Always make sure that the sample rate is 44/100, and you can leave the rest as they are. Just don't mind them for now, but just keep track of the 44/100. Click OK. Once you click OK, you'll notice that we have a file that is not yet saved, but it is created for us to start recording. You can notice that once you click record on your controls, it will start recording your voice in wave format. You click record and then it will start recording. So you'll notice that it's now recording my voice. Okay, so I click stop and I can be able to play back. Okay, simply click anywhere where you want to start from and click play. So you'll notice that it's now recording my voice. Okay, that is it. So that's the way it is done. We're going to record the first voice that we're going to use in this jingle. I'm deleting this audio out because I don't need it. To select the entire, you can click at the first point, hold down the left mouse button and move your mouse towards the right hand, and it will select whatever you want to select. Okay, so I want to delete that. Simply click or press the delete key on your keyboard and it will delete it. So we're going to create the first audio I'm going to use in this. Okay, I click start button. Hello, you're listening to Kumba FM 87.7. Kumba FM, your number one choice. Right, so we have our first audio. Click anywhere and start. Hello, you're listening to Kumba FM 87.7. Kumba FM, your number one choice. Alright, so we have a loud voice, really loud voice. So we need to cut it down, to lower the volume so that it can be able to at least go up to 6. Okay, so to select, we need to select the entire file, or select like you did, click at the first point, hold down the left mouse button and move towards the right. Select what you need. Alternatively, simply double click anywhere to it will automatically highlight the entire track, and then you have the voice coming up, the volume. Okay, you can shift your volume towards the left to lower the volume. Click, hold down the left mouse button and move towards the left so that my waves touch the line of 6. Okay, and click OK. You'll just let go and the volume will now be lowered. Let's hear the volume. Hello, you're listening to Kumba FM 87.7. Kumba FM, your number one choice. Okay. Alright. So the volume is loud enough, and we can chop off this that we don't need. Okay, you simply delete it out, select what you don't need and delete it out. Then this other part, I'm deleting it out. Alright, so we have the file. We have just recorded our file. So let's look at this file. Typically takes so I'm moving my cursor towards the end. This typically takes just 6 seconds and 549 microseconds, 0 minutes. Alright, so we have this this panel. It will expand this audio. Okay, it helps us to expand the audio horizontally and zoom it in horizontally. Okay, then this other one helps us to move it up, expand it up, or just one. Okay, alright, so this always, whenever you're editing your voice, ensure that you have expanded or zoomed horizontally so that you can be able to get a clear picture of what you need. Maybe I need up to that point, then click play. So I don't need that part. Okay, it would be much difficult if at all select it if at all our file was still in that format. So I need to zoom it out so that I can be able to get the clear part I need. Alternatively, shift this node until you get the clear part that you need. So I'm playing. Okay, so I just need hello. That first breath, I don't need it. Okay, so I delete it out. Need to right click and then select delete if it's there. Alright, it's not there, so trim. Alright, selected trim. Okay, I'm undoing, Control Z to undo. So simply delete with your keyboard, press the delete key. Hello, you're listening to Kumba FM. Okay, so we're going to start saving process. To save our process of this audio, we can click File and then select Save As. Then locate where you want to save your documents. Save in. Then I want to save in D, in a folder called, I'm creating a folder there on D, partition D. Create a folder and I'm calling it audio production. Alright, and I'm selecting to open it. It's now open, save in audio production, and I'm giving it a name, hello file 1. Okay, for the save as type, click that. It depends the type you want to save your file to. Preferably, I would encourage you to save your file as MP3. Reason, you might need to play your file on a phone, or alternatively you can select a WAV, okay, or MP3. So for this case, I'm leaving my file as a WAV, an MP3, and I'm clicking save. It's going to be saved in audio production. Click save. Okay, our file has been saved as hello file 1. Alright, so we have come to the end of the first session of this tutorial. Hope you've learned how to create a new file. Enjoy for the next session.